Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a chicken. Let's start off by drawing the beak with a small sideways V shape here. Then, draw a line from the top end that goes up and over for the head and out to the right for the back. From the bottom of the beak, draw a line gently curving down that sweeps out to the right for the chest. Then, add a bump underneath for the belly. And extend that line up towards the back end like so. From the top end, extend that line over to the right and sweep up and over like so to start the tail feathers. To finish off the tail, draw a bunch of bumpy lines like so for some ruffled feathers. From the top of the beak, draw 3 bumps going up and over like this, and 2 bumps underneath as well. The top is called the cone, and the bottom is called the wattle. They both help to cool the chicken in hot weather. Across the beak, add a thin line for the separation of the beak and the head. And on the head, a big dot here for the eye. On the body, draw its wing with a curve here, followed by some more curves sweeping up to the back like so. Underneath, draw the legs with 2 short lines coming down at an angle, 3 thin V shapes pointing out the front for toes, and 1 sticking out from the back as well. Then, do that one more time just to the left for the other leg. And now you've got a chicken. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.